What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be playing Animal Company. You guys recommended this on the comments. We got it. We got you. I got you. I'm kind of good at the game, and we got Everett. We got this thing for the new update. Golden gun.
Happy little
Shoots
boy.
money. I want to like catch it or something. Like.
Look at I'm Bob the Builder.
I'm Bob the Builder. That's crazy. And then that's about it. So we're gonna go try and get the egg. I'm gonna throw my special rare freaking golden gun in there. And I'm gonna get some
You have a broken heart. Let me fix it. Dong, dong, dong.
3 super radioactive guns and another like few golden ones. Few of these bad boys.
The biggest boom.
Wait, I need you to carry these for me. Let me put them on you.
Wait, what? No, no.
It's not burning. It's not burning.
Okay.
Okay, I guess that one can stay. Right.
Uh-oh. You missed.
Did I?
I was still in the safe zone.
Nice. And I'm gonna get some batons. Do you need a baton?
Do you have a grappler right now?
Do you need a baton? And no, I don't need a grappler. Your boy is cracked at the game, bro. What's in here? We got... Never mind. Baton. Something to hold in our hands. That will be more explosives. That type of explosive will be the sticky explosive. Okay, where are you? We gotta hurry. Go to the landmines.
For the tree.
Go to the landmines.
Okay.
Go to the maze. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Meet at the maze. I'm running. Not this way. Bro, I'm so dumb.
Okay.
Idiot. There. 3, 2. Oh frick! He didn't die. He didn't die. He didn't die. Oh my god! No! No! Bro, I dropped my controller. POV. This. Can I just put my stuff in there, please?
Andres!
Bro,
Dude, he started
Bro.
chasing me.
no. So I was chasing, and then he threw me a rock, and I just barely flew by it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah.
We're gonna find Mr. Friendly Bunny.
Yeah, yeah.
Where did you go? Wait, where did
Oh
you
my
go?
god, bro. You can never keep up.
Dude, I didn't. Keep
This
up,
way.
I'm too fast. I'm too. Wait, isn't that? Wait. Slow down a little.
Wrong way.
It's hard
Never
for me to
mind.
keep up. I'm really slow. I know. I was like, wait, but wouldn't that lead back? Dude, why are we going this way?
Trust.
Wait, where did you go? Okay.
My God, bro. Is it A?
Did I hit you? Ow, I didn't mean to. Sorry. It's kind of hard when you walk with your freaking...
Baton.
Wait, for me.
My God, bro. You're slower than a turtle.
I'm newer to the game than you, bro.
Oh my God! It's the egg! But Mama
can't pick
Butnick
it
is
up.
guarding it. I can hear her. Get ready to fight!
Mama Bunny is...
Dude, attack it! Attack it! Can you attack? Dude, you freaking non-man. Dude, Why is the quality so good on Bros Monsters? Imagine this is the
I died. Did you die?
No. Nothing. It's up to me. I mean, I could just stay. Freaking. Bruh! What did bro do?
Did you die?
Yeah, you made me. I'm coming, boy. Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-dun, da-dun. Branching me like, nah. I'm Steve. Where's the egg? Okay, here's the creepy old lady sound. Here's this way. I'm just gonna look for blood marks. And if I see blood, victory is mine. I thought that was a blood mark, but that was a button. Bro, where are you? I'm looking for the stuff.
I'm at the mine place. Where are you?
The mine place? What is bro doing at the mine place? The mine place? Bro, we're supposed to be looking for the egg at the frickin' like... He knows. There's another way to get there really fast. Okay, I guess this is another way. I can get there.
Where are you?
At the bunny place. Yeah,
Me
this
too,
is
but where
way
in the
easier.
bunny place?
Like, I'm looking for the egg. So I currently don't know. Oh, buddy. I'm freaking too big to be in here. freaking Huggy Wuggy going through the fence.
Help me! Help me!
I can hear you without the microphone. Do you have any weapons?
No. Where are you?
Looking for you.
I'm looking for you.
I feel like I can hear you.
I can hear you too.
Stay where you are. I'm using echolocation.
Echo!
Okay? Do it again.
Echo!
Okay. My echolocation is working kind of. Echo!
Echo!
Echolocation. Look for my stuff. Quick, help me find it.
I saw one over here.
I found my baton. Okay. My baton. My bag. I found the egg.
Where are you?
Oh my god. One of my items that I just didn't grab just despawned. Run! The lady's right there! Run!
Lady?
The creepy lady I'm talking about?
The freaky lady?
Yeah. Creepy, I mean. It's coming. Get ready for impact.
Is it really?
I found the
Is
exit.
it really scary?
Found the exit.
Let's go.
I know there's 2 eggs though.
2?
Yeah, we gotta go look for the second one.
Wait up, wait up. Where did you go?
Over here. Oh yeah. Oh, do you have any weapons on you? Yeah.
No. No, bunny!
Where? Oh heck no. Bro, I killed myself again.
Did you kill it?
Are you still there? Alive?
No, I'm dressed.
Grab my bag, grab my bag. My bag is so important. Grab it. Now. Try to grab it, please.
What?
Try to grab my bag. Okay, we gotta hurry.
I grabbed your bag.
Thank you, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. Let's get there quicker. Fucking quick as I can. Should I? Just 2 shotgun rounds, I guess. That's decently useful. Everett!
How are you so big?
Quick,
I
let's
could
go!
hear you from like 2 miles. I could
So
hear you
let's
from
see.
like 2 miles away, bro.
Roar!
How are you gonna fit?
Oh, wait! We got it! That's the only egg, apparently. Can I have my bag now?
Oh. No.
Thank you. I got some shotgun rounds. I want to put this in.
What was the point of getting the egg?
It's rare. Or I don't know, maybe
What
it's
does it
I think it's like a collectible or something. I don't know, let's go back to
Do I
base.
Have you ever gotten it before?
Nope.
I haven't either.
We can go get it later. But we don't want to drag the video too much. Well, guys, that's how you get the freaking egg.
Super freaking sussy egg.
Yeah. I'll make sure
And you have
to
to repeatedly be chased by a duck rabbit.
thing. Yeah, let me know in the comments if there's if there's any other better way to freaking do this. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you want more Animal Company content. I'll probably give it to you anyways. Oh no! I was not trying to go there. The egg is... Wait, let me just make sure the egg is actually in here.
Andres.
Can I open it? I was just checking.
Andres, I just got
Yeah?
blown by a fan. I hit a tree. No, I got blown by a fan. I hit a tree and landed on a landmine.
Bye-bye for today's video.